Bonjour. Ça va bien? Bon. What is bon? Good. Fine. You learnt yesterday the auxiliary verb être in three forms: affirmative, interrogative, negative. Affirmative, interrogative, negative. Je suis. Je suis. Je suis what? I am. Affirmative. Suis-je? 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 Am I? Je ne suis pas. I am not. No pas. This is what this is what you learnt yesterday. Je suis, suis-je, je ne suis pas. And in one of the previous classes, les articles indéfinis, indefinite articles, un, une, they, some. Un, masculine singular, feminine singular, we write une. Both take the meaning of and plural of and une is they, some. This you learnt already. Today we learn, this is lesson number 16, les articles définis, definite articles. Definite article in English. What is definite article in English? The boy, the girl, the boys, the girls, the windows, the door, the doors, everything we use the. Masculine or feminine, singular or plural. Understand? Neuter gender, everywhere we use the, only the in English. But in French it is not going to be the same, it's different. As you have un for masculine singular, une for feminine singular, le for masculine singular, la for feminine singular. Definite article the. The takes four equivalents in French. Understand? Le for masculine singular, la for feminine singular. So I write le mur, the wall, la clé, the key, oiseau, it's a new vocabulary, write the meaning bird. What do I write for oiseau? It's masculine or feminine? It's not ending in E, it's a basic rule with lot of exceptions. It's oiseau is masculine or feminine, bird. The word bird is masculine or feminine? It looks masculine. Yes, it is masculine. So what do you write? What do you write? Le. Masculine singular, we write le. If I write le, what happens? This L, E and O will clash. So what do you do normally? You remove the first E is removed and apostrophe is written. So L apostrophe is nothing but here in this place, L apostrophe is nothing but LE. LE has become L apostrophe because if I write E, this two vowels will clash. So LE becomes L apostrophe, fine. Horloge, wall clock. What will I write here? Le or la? Le or la? La I write because it's feminine. Horloge is feminine. If I write la again, this A and H will clash. I mean here, H will clash. So this A becomes L apostrophe. So you should understand masculine or feminine singular starting with a vowel or H mute, H silent. It is not horloge, it is horloge. H is silent, H mute. Understand? So it's treated to be a vowel. So LE and LA become L apostrophe, masculine or feminine singular. Understand? And all plurals, whether it is masculine or feminine, starting with a vowel or consonant, whatever it is. If the noun is plural, LE, LA, L apostrophe, everything become les, the. the. But in different contexts. Masculine singular, le. Feminine singular, la. Masculine singular or feminine singular starting with a vowel or H mute, L apostrophe. For all plurals, le. Look at the plural form carefully. Wall has become walls, add yes. This wall, add yes. Clay, add yes to make it into plural. But look at this was. Instead of adding yes, X is added. Learn a rule now. If the noun is ending in EAU, the plural form is X, not yes. Bear in mind. Write down separately. Understand? EAU ending nouns will take X in the plural form instead of X. Yes, instead of yes, you should add X. Oh, close plural. All plurals, all these three become LES. Fine. This is what we learned today. Now let's do some exercises. Table, masculine or feminine? Guess. You know. Table is masculine or feminine? Feminine. What do I write here? Le, la, le, feminine singular, correct? Feminine singular. So what do I write? La, correct? La. So I write la here, L, A, fine, la. Look at the next one. Kaiye, masculine or feminine? Masculine singular. No, yes, so it is singular, masculine singular. What do I write? L, E, good. Om is what? Man. Man is always masculine. So I write le. Shall I write le? L, E. Shall I write? Is it a correct answer? Is it the correct answer? Le. L, E and H will clash. E will clash with H. We do not allow that. Le is a monosyllabled word. We don't allow. So this LE becomes L apostrophe. LE becomes L apostrophe. So E is code of apostrophe is written. L apostrophe. Okay? Understand? Then fear. What is a fear? Girls. Masculine or feminine? Feminine. So shall I write la here? La. This la shall I write? No, it's wrong. Why? It's plural. This is plural. Girls. Plurals. All plurals. What do I write? Le. L. E. Yes. Is it visible? Okay, fine. Les filles, because it's plural, feminine or masculine, don't worry, if the noun is plural, les. Sac, handbag, masculine or feminine? Masculine, singular, so le. Règle, ruler. I think it's a new vocabulary. Ruler, règle means ruler, règle. Ruler, what do I write? La. Okay, gomme, new vocabulary, eraser, gomme, feminine plural, feminine singular, so la again, chaise, you know it is masculine singular, feminine singular, la, then stilo, masculine plural, right? L-E-S. Masculine plural. Sahwiyat. School bag. Feminine singular. Ending in E. Feminine singular. So la. Crayon. What is crayon? Pencil. Masculine singular. So le. Image. New vocabulary. Image. Guess the meaning? Image, picture. Image means picture, image. It's feminine singular. Feminine singular, what do I write? La. Shall I write la? No again. Why? It's starting with a vowel. So L-A becomes L apostrophe. L apostrophe. Garçon, boy, masculine singular. Boy is masculine singular. Le. Okay. Ban, masculine singular. Le. Femme, women. Look, yes, plural. More than one in number. So, plural I write L-E-S. This is how you write the fill in the blanks. Fine. And we learned two expressions in French. What are those two expressions? Here is a chalk piece. Here is a ruler. Here is a boy. Here is a girl. Or here are some girls. Here are some boys. Voici. Look. Voici. Voici means here is or here are. Okay. Voici means here is or here are. Singular meaning as well as plural expression. Here is a boy or here are some boys. Voila. Voila. Voila means there is a boy or there are some boys. There is a tree. There are some trees. There is a stone. There are some stones. Okay. Voila. Voila means there is or there are. With these two expressions we are making sentences and making some other grammar in the next class. For example, here is a ruler. Here is a ruler. Here is a chalk piece. Where is the chalk piece? Now where is the chalk piece? The chalk piece is on the ruler. On, under, in front of, behind, in. All these prepositions we will learn in the next class. And one information, just information I would like to pass. What are the three official languages in Olympic Games? What are the three official languages? One is French, two is English, third official languages, the vernacular of that particular country where Olympics is hosted. Understand? The hosting country's language, mother tongue of the country which is hosting Olympics. These are the three official languages: French, English, and the mother tongue of the particular country. This is only an information. And when I started this French learning videos in the YouTube, I have been receiving some calls from my friends to start spoken English and grammar classes, English grammar and spoken English. Most probably from tomorrow I might upload some videos in spoken English and grammar also. If you are interested, have a look at that. And this will never stop. This will never stop. This will continue forever. This will never stop. This French classes I am not going to stop. It will continue. As now you can receive videos, one lesson every day. There is no second thought for that. It is going to continue. And additional to that, in addition, English, spoken English and grammar class also will be started probably from tomorrow. I might upload some videos. And the playlist for learning French. This is learning French is easy. This is a playlist I have created in the YouTube. And for English that will be a different one. And thumbnails will be, you might have seen in the thumbnail a board and with me, that will be always be there. And English it will be different. From the look of the thumbnail itself you will understand whether it's for French or English. Try to follow that also. Some English grammar where in the schools it is taught in a difficult manner, but I might explain it in a simpler way. Try to follow that also. And till we meet in the next class, au revoir. Merci.